Hey guys, Eric Eniali. I just want to take a second and show you real quick. I'm doing some research for a video I was making actually, but it's not about the video. I'm using Microsoft Copilot, and maybe you don't know about Russian all data stuff like that. So if you want to get in, a deep dive, just do a Copilot deep dive. I mean, it gives you a lot of information, and I'm going to show you real quick some of the things it does. If you never tried this, try it. All right, guys, this is a topic I was doing. It's exponentially weighted moving average. And that's all I typed in with automotive OBD. Anybody doing work on mode 6, or you're going to be familiar with it, but if you were put on the spot to explain it, you know how it works, but you just don't know the jargon and exactly the details. You just, know how to use it to fix cars. So I was doing a little bit deeper. It's reading all these books. It's been going for 2 hours. It's browsing and analyzing the sources, and it tells you what it's reading. The definition and fundamentals of EWMA, it's searching. You could see the exponentially weighted moving average automotive diagnostics, EWMA statistical definition, the series smoothing EMA. Then it's thinking. There are several informative and reputable web pages explaining the definition and fundamentals of EWMA, including its application in diagnostics and statistical process. That's a hard word to say after saying that. I'll open the most relevant pages and gather the detailed insights. So there's going to be, it's showing you everything it's reading. A lot of times we do a lot of research. Just we watch a video or we read an article that's not very productive or what we're after. I'm giving this a try out on this. I've used it before, and you get a really good explanation of everything. Use it on anything. I used it on WasteSpark, and it was very, very, it would really help you if you don't have access to shop manuals. And in the case I did, the deep dive was actually better than the shop manuals. So, I'm going to show you the end result, but I don't know if this goes away at the end. So that's why I wanted to show you this right now. All right, guys, this is pretty cool. It's still actually going in the background. It's doing even more research, but it puts it in a way. It tells you it's diving into it. It tells you about mode 6. And I'm telling you all the information in here. This is spot on. You're going to look at some things on here if you do a quick search. I know I had a couple, the firing order wasn't right, but hey, if you do the deep dive, if you got the time, it gives you a lot of information, man. It just keeps going and going. This is all free, and it explains exactly, what you're looking for. Copilot's pretty cool if you haven't tried it. It's pretty good in automotive. I haven't used it much, but damn. Spot on. Good job, Microsoft, on that. This is a lot of information. It'll save you a lot of valuable time, and it actually tells you, where it got it. It leaves the footnotes. If you read something that don't sound right, check out where it came from. It's pulling it from some pretty good sources. Look, it still goes. Now, this isn't something I wanted to get into this deep. I'm just showing you. It puts it in a very good format. And it's still analyzing. Right now, it's reading Understanding California Carb Regulations for 2025 and beyond. I don't want to understand California carb regulations. Let the machine do it. All right, guys. Just a quick tip, if you haven't tried Copilot yet or any of the AIs, bring AIs in. It's free. That's what a lot of subscriptions to like All Data or Mitchell, they're expensive. You could get them for one car at a time. But before you spend any money, give this a shot. All right, guys. Adios.